All right, friends, it's your boy, Mr. Shagney, coming at you with the homework for tonight on lesson 15, shapes on the coordinate plane. It says the coordinates of a rectangle are 3, 0, 3, negative 5, negative 4, 0, and negative 4, negative 5. And it says, what is the length of this rectangle? So it's asking us to find the length of the rectangle. So what is the length of the rectangle, which what's the length and basically the width. To find the length, what I'm going to do is I am going to find the distance between 2 points. So looking at the first one, right, this is 3, that's 3. This is 0, negative 5. What is the distance between 0 and negative 5? Well, I know that's 5 units. So I know that that is one thing that I'm going to need. And then over here, I have negative 4 and negative 4. Those are the same. 0, negative 5. 0, negative 5, that's also going to be well, that's also going to be 5 units, so that's still looking at the same thing, but from 3 to negative 4 is another thing that we need to look at. So from 3 to negative 4, the distance of that is 7, so that's my other unit that I'm going to need for this problem. So the length of this rectangle is 7 units. And the width, so that's length. The width of this is 5 units. And you're going to need that to kind of solve the next 2 problems. So what I did to find this is I first looked at the distance between y's, and I found 1 unit, and then I looked for the distance between x values, and I found the other unit. And so we did that yesterday, talking about distances on the coordinate plane, and I apologize that I got a little, my mind just stopped working for a second. So what is a perimeter? Well, if I know that this is a rectangle, I know that 2 sides are the same, so 7 times 2 for one part, and then 5 times 2 because it's a rectangle, so this is 14 and 10. So if I add 14 and 10, I get the lovely answer of 24. What is the area? To find area, I take my length times my width, right? Length times width equals area. 7 times 5 is 35. And so that is how you could possibly solve the first problem for tonight. The second one says draw a square with one vertex on the origin and a perimeter of 20. And so I'm going to, one of them is there, right? So that's 0, 0. And then I'm going to draw a square with a perimeter of 20. So if I do 2, then I have to do 2, and I have to do 2. So I'm going to do that there, and then draw a square with one vertex on the origin and a perimeter of 20. Perimeter of 20. So I know that 5, but that 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. So I want things to be 5. I was overthinking this. So I'm going to put another dot there. That's 5 units up, right? And then to go 5 units over, right? So I'm going to put another point there. And then there. And then connect it back. The location of this is I have 0, 0. I have 0, 5. I have 5, 5. And I have 5, 0. Those are the coordinates of each point for my square. Okay. And then the last question tonight says plot and connect the following points to form a polygon. So I have negative 3, positive 2. Then I have 2, 2. So 2, 2. I'm going to connect those like we did in class, just like that. Connect them. Then I have 2, negative 4. So 2 down negative 4. I'm going to connect those. And I have negative 1, negative 4. Connect zeros, and I have -1. Oh, wait, I didn't plot that right. Go back, 2, 4, this is -1, -4, that should be there. And then -1, -1, -2 is there. So I apologize for that extra vertice. -1, -1, -2, -3, and -2, like that. And then it should look like this. So your shape, your polygon, when you finish that, should look like this. So that is the homework for tonight. I hope that you enjoy it. If you like this video, hit a quick subscribe.